Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see hover. Hover is very simple. So whenever you have a website and you go to any website, which is in this case, let's take an example of bankrate.com. You can see when you hover, you take your mouse on mortgages, you can see all the list of links around mortgages. To banking, you get banking menu. So similarly credit card, similarly loan, and you see investing. So we'll see in our example. We'll make it a little quick with this example. We'll minimize it. Let's launch our Notepad++ and we'll see example, mouse action, hover. We can see this as a example. The syntax is pretty simple. Hover, you can use same, DOM, XPath, or point, or image. We'll see all the three examples. So for that, we should first launch our site. So say tps:8.com, time out, let's say 5 seconds. We'll come back and say hover DOM, and that is mortgages. So let's check it up. Is this correct? Hover mortgages. Yeah. So it's very straightforward. Say mortgages and timeout for 3 seconds in this case. So we expect that it should launch pretty fast. So this is DOM example, and let's go and check if I need to take the next one. We'll go with over XPath in this case, which is banking. To get an XPath of banking, say hover, go back to our searching for DOM banking. So if I need to hover this link, we need to go to developer tools. We have a banking. So for the banking, find banking. So we have banking here, which is class of this banking. Okay. So it's a link. Let's go over here. Let's try to find this. Control F, say / anchor A, give us a property, and the property is name equal to quotes banking, quotes close. We have this one. So let's try to take a div, and property is class equal to copy and paste and see if we have a single link. Yeah, now we have the same link. If you can see, that's a link. So copy, bring it back to our code, hover link, and time out. So in this case, I'll not say timeout, I'll say wait, so that it's hard-codedly wait for 2 seconds, and instead of timeout, I say wait for 2 seconds. So this is example for our XPath. Post, we have a credit card. Now we'll say, and we have a credit card, and let's try to get the point, right? So as per this, we have a point, close this, get to a bankrate.com, and let's launch our first tool. So it's launches, and see here, launch here. And if you need to get the credit card, let's go to credit card and say Control Alt and X, so you can see the coordinate. Let's go and grab the coordinate, which is point, starts with the bracket, ends with border. So 554 and comma 1 2 3 close. So this is the location where we are going to get the, so if you see here, so this is the coordinate for this particular location. So we're going to click here, and which is the coordinate here, which we have captured, which is going to hover, not click, hover. We are going to hover here. So this is an example of a point, and we are going to hover an image. So to do so, for an image, let's grab an image. To grab an image, go over snippingtool.com, and let's capture loan. So loan is captured. Save loan in our hover folder. Go here, say loan.png. Come back here, update your code completely, over loan.png, and let's say wait for, we have done all the things. We are launching, we are going to a menu, in this case image example. We are going to click or hover on loan. Save this on hover, say go hover dot tag. So this is saved now. Let's minimize this, close this, and let's try to test it. So to test it, launch our command prompt, navigate to our location, and say cd over and cls. So bring it back to a little bit smaller, see what's happening. Say tag to execute it, TagUI and TagUI over.tag, and hit enter. It should launch our Chrome, and Chrome is launched. So now post launch, we wanted to hover home mortgages, so it did hover home mortgages. Okay, something went wrong. So let's see what happened. Okay, so let's just say a little bit more time. So I did a mistake with the XPath. So you can just update the XPath to see a correct one. And also we updated a point. So let's now run post fixing it. Let's clear all the thing, close this so that we have a clean slate. Say clear, and this time I'm going to move this one a little bit slower, and let's run this here. Say tag UI and say tag and say enter. So it's launched, the browser is launched. So now it is going to hover mortgages, waiting, banking. So it's going to hover on banking. It's going to hover on credit cards, and it's going to hover on loan. So this finishes our hover example. See you in another one. Thank you for watching.